Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and in today's video I'm going to present to you Brent Mason's solo on the Mark O'Connor tune, Pick It Apart. Now this is from the new Nashville Cats record, and I wanted to include this in my Brent Mason Session Solos series, but I always knew there was no way in hell I'd be able to play this. It is way too fast. Many of you requested it. I transcribed this way back in 2013, but I knew I'd never be able to post a video of me playing it. But a lot of you guys, including patrons, have asked me to post it, so here it is. Prepare to be terrified, and if you want this transcription along with all of the other Brent Mason transcriptions, check out the link in the description to my Patreon page. So good luck. I don't have a hope, maybe you do.